Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's now lesson 28. Okay, so now this is a new rule that we're learning. The rule is, and you need to write this rule down, if after a nun saakin, so a saakin is this thing that I'm pointing to over here, and a nun is obviously this. So if after a nun saakin or a tanween is a double fatha, double kasra, or a double dhamma, a double zabar, a two zabar, two zero, two pesh. If after a nun saakin or a tanween letter there is a ba, so if you can clearly see over here there's a nun saakin and after it is a ba, what happens is the nun over here changes into a meem. So that's why they've written a small meem over here. So this is a meem. So you'll no longer read the nun anymore. The nun will be changed into a meem. And the meem sound will be read through the nose. So it will be a light nasal sound. Okay, so we're going to spell this first box together. First we'll spell it as usual. So meem will join to the nun saakin, which is min. Then the ba will join to the ain, which is ba'. But when we're joining them now, saying it all together, we're going to change the nun into the meem. So we're going to say like this: mim ba', and then di. Mim ba'di. Okay, so you notice that we didn't say the nun anymore. So we didn't say min ba'di. We changed the nun completely into a mim. And then we made a light nasal sound, similar to a ghunna. Mim ba'di. And make sure you say the ain properly as well. So it's not ba'di, it's ba'di. Okay, so the next one. This is a ba, which will join, and attached to it is an alif. And then this over here, which I'm pointing to, is a lam. So the ba will join to the lam. And when we're joining, you ignore the alifs in between. So the ba will join to the lam, so this will be bil. Okay, so you ignore this alif over here. Then this jim over here, the dot at the bottom, will join to the nun. So it's jan, bil jan. And then our rule again, remember, if a nun saakin, so here's a nun, dot saakin, and after it is a ba, the nun saakin will change into a mim, and that's why you can see this mim over here. So it will be jambi. So you make a light nasal sound from the nose. Bil jambi. Okay, so that rule is key. You should have that rule written down next to you so you can see it for every box. Okay, let's do the next one. So this is la, lam with a fatha, la. This is ya, will join to the nun, yun. La yun. Again, so this is our nun saakin over here, and after it is a ba with a fatha. So again, the nun will change into mim with a light nasal sound. So this is ba, la yumba. Now this dhal will join to nun, then into ghunna because of the nun has a shadda. La yumbadanna, the nun has fatha. La yumbadanna. And make sure you don't stretch anything. The only sound that you're making is the nasal sound from the nose for the mim. Again, this one, dhal will join to the nun, then the ba with a double kasra, bin. Bin. Okay, so that's the first line done. So now pause the video and re-practice the first line. Okay, next one. So this hamza will join to this nun over here, an. Now the next letter is a ba with a kasra, bi. And obviously our rule will apply here. Nun saakin, and after it is a ba. Change into a mim. Bi. Then a ya with a mud. Ya. Anbiya. Okay, next box. This mim will join to the nun, man, ba. And now, so here's our rule, nun saakin, after it is a ba, so we'll change the nun into a mim. Mamba, khi, la, mambakhila. Next one, mim will join to the nun, min, ba will join to the ya, bay. Now you've got a nun saakin, and again after it is a ba. So you'll change the nun into a mim. Mim bayni. Mim bayni. Okay. Now here, Hamza will join to this nun, and but the next letter after the nun saakin is a ba. So again, our rule will apply. The nun will change into a mim. Ba. Okay, but actually the ba will join to the ta, isn't it? So the ta is the next letter which has a sukun. So the ba will join to the ta. So let's start again. So the hamza will join to the nun, and then the ba will join to the ta, bat. Bat. And then nun alif. Na. Bat na. I guess that's the first two lines done. So pause this line and then practice this line over again a few times. Okay, now next line. So now these two boxes are slightly harder, but you spell them out one part at a time. So make it easier. So this is la, the nun will join to the sin, nas, la nas, fa, la nas, fa. This ayn. Okay, now here we're using the tanween rule. So like I said, remember, if I have the nun saakin or a tanween, and then after it is a ba. So now this is our tanween letter, and then we have our ba. So this will be an with a n at the end, isn't it? La nasfa'an. But now we have a ba. So this n sound from the tanween will change into a m, a mim sound. La nasfa'an. Okay. Now the ba will join to the nun. Bin. La nasfa'an bin. Nun alif. Na. La nasfa'an bin na. So you have to make a light nasal sound for the tanween, changing into a mim, and also for the gunna on the nun. La nasfa'an bin na si. And make sure you pronounce the swad carefully. So it's not a si, like a sin, it's si. La nasfa'an bin nasi yati. La nasfa'an bin nasiyati. Okay, that's that box done. Next box, kha, and it's a full mouth letter. Kha, ba will join to the ya saakin, making a stretch. This is a maddul asli. Bi, khabi, and again we have a tanween letter, and after it is a ba. So the tanween will change into mim. So khabirun bi, khabirum bi, and making sure you make the nasal sound. Khabirum bi, mim alif, ma, bima, khabirum bima. Then ta will join to the ayn. Ta'ma, ta'malu. So this is a madd al-asli. Make sure you stretch that. Na, ta'maluna. Now the whole thing together. Khabirum bima ta'maluna. Okay, so making sure you do the light nasal sound when the tanween turns into a mim, and also a stretch in the madd asli over here, and another madd asli over here. Khabi, and then ta'malu, making sure you do the stretches. Okay, last. Now pause this line and then practice this line over again, because this line is quite difficult. Okay, and now the last line. This one is not so difficult. So first is a, ba, aba, dan, with a n sound at the end. Abadan. But if you look at the the next letter is a ba, so the n sound will change into a mim. Abadam bi. And again, making sure you do the nasal sound. Ma abadam bima. Okay, so that's all done. Next one. Then lam will join to the ya. Li, ali. Then mim with a double dhamma. Mun with a n at the end. Ali mun. Then the next letter is a ba. So again, our rule will apply. The n sound will change into a mim sound. Bihi, alimum bihi. Okay, and this was a standing kasra, so that's why I stretched it. Alimum bihi. And this is our maddul asli, the lam is being stretched by the ya saakin. Okay, next, and the last box. Sa, make sure you don't stretch that. Then the waw alif with a mud, so you stretch it. This is maddul muttasil. Wa sawa in, so with a n sound. Sawa in. But if you look at our next letters are ba, so again, like you know the rule already, the tanween will change into a meem. So it'll be bay. So now when I read it, with the ba, I'll change the n sound into a m sound. Sawa im bay na na. So two noons, na and then na. Sawa im baynana. Okay, now that's that lesson finished. So now pause the video and practice this line over again. And if you need to rewind the video, just go back and listen to the explanation or the practice of the boxes again.